mean, it's incredible. I'm looking around and I'm looking at all these people here, and I'm just like, look at what God is doing.
The film Unplanned is in theaters now, and the story of its opening weekend is almost as compelling as the plot of the movie itself. Unplanned tells the true story of Abby Johnson, an abortion clinic director who went from Planned Parenthood Employee of the Year to one of the most influential leaders in the pro-life movement. Before the movie even hit theaters, it looked like it was off to a rocky start. Several mainstream TV networks refused to run ads for the film, in a seemingly coordinated attempt to stifle its success. But the film is powerful. So powerful that even with its lack of advertising and its limited release in only about 1,000 theaters, moviegoers loved it, gave it a 93% audience score on the consumer-driven film rating site Rotten Tomatoes, and made it, as of now, America's #4 film at the box office. But the story of Unplanned doesn't end there. Just after Unplanned's successful premiere got underway, and in the middle of the movie's opening weekend, Twitter suddenly suspended its account. The outrageous suspension looked so much like an effort to sabotage the independent film that it got the attention of Twitter users everywhere. Faced with a massive backlash, Twitter reinstated the account. If Twitter wanted to hurt the film's rollout, suspending the account had the opposite of the desired effect. Unplanned went viral. Donald Trump Jr. tweeted about it. So did Vice President Mike Pence. Within hours, the Unplanned Twitter account went from under 7,000 followers to over 100,000. As of now, Unplanned has over 330,000 followers on Twitter. That's over 70,000 more followers than the official Twitter-verified account of Planned Parenthood. Despite mainstream networks refusing to run their advertisements, a Twitter ban, and the opposition of the very powerful abortion provider, Planned Parenthood, Unplanned is set to remain in theaters for several more weeks. In fact, riding a new wave of popularity, Unplanned has expanded to 700 new theaters. The story of the movie's opening weekend is uniting American moviegoers from both sides of the abortion debate. Whether you're pro-life or not, the story of Unplanned's uphill battle against censorship, corporate suppression, and sabotage is an inspiration. So if you want to support the pro-life movement, free expression, or just excellent independent filmmaking, here's what you should do. Go see Unplanned. This has been an episode of CVTV. Subscribe to CVTV on YouTube, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and sign up at catholicvote.org/loop.